Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just having a short vlog of my weekend in Scottsdale, Arizona with my baby sister. We were celebrating her birthday, so hang out with us as we explore the city. I warm and wash.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
So as the hike went on, we were only prepared to do a portion of it, probably about a quarter, and we had researched it and we just thought that the entire thing was going to be on an intermediate level. And then you guys, this was the highest we thought we would go, but because we were just following a crowd and we weren't completely aware of the route, we ended up doing so much more. And in a moment you guys are going to see where we realized we messed up. Oh my goodness, we didn't shy away from the challenge, but we were so incredibly unprepared, to tell you the truth. It does. Yes, I love that one. Say hi to my viewers. Hi! So we decided to continue even though we weren't fully aware of the challenge that lay ahead. It was a beautiful day. There were so many people out there that were hiking, and we decided we can do it too. As you can see, we ran into another steep elevation. My sister's filming right now, and you can see my little self in the plaid climbing up. It was fun. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. It was incredibly fun. It was incredibly challenging. I've been on hikes before as a soldier, but they were in a straight line with a rucksack, and I can tell you, whether it was 10 miles or 15 that I had to do, it was a lot easier going across ground, even if I was carrying something on my back versus climbing at such an elevation. Me and my sister switched off with the backpack. I was making life choices at this moment. It was so intense, but so worth it. This is us just viewing, how far we come. And we were really proud of ourselves, to tell you the truth. What kept us going, I'm not going to lie to you, was our pride. We saw children around the age of 8 and 10 that were coming down, and we were like, no way. We're not going to get bested by a bunch of third graders. We're going to finish this out. And I'm so proud. We really did. This is us up at the top. It took us probably about, I'd say, an hour and a half to get up there. It was a great hike. It was beautiful. You saw the city down below, and I really enjoyed myself.
Yeah, 1.2 miles.
So coming back down, we realized
it really was.
how much we hiked and how far we went up.
We did.
It was a shock to our system, but we were really happy that we did it. So the next and the final day, we went out for brunch at a place called the Brunch Snob. There's quite a few of them around the area, and we really enjoyed ourselves. My sister started off with a wine fly. I had something called a lemon fizz, a drink made with gin, which I am usually not a fan of, but it was pretty good. Because the wait is so long and we had to get back home and get on our flights, we decided to sit at the bar, which was not bad at all. We had such a good time catching up. My sister is super busy. She runs her own practice, and we didn't have a whole lot of time to spare, so we just enjoyed ourselves. We were catching up. We haven't been together in years, and then we caught our flights out. So you guys, this is the end of my little mini vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.